Hello listeners, today we are going to discuss new topic, that is application of trigonometry for CBSE and Telangana state boards per students, and this application of trigonometry is also called as height and distance for ICSE state boards. Okay, what is application of trigonometry? Where we are using the trigonometry concepts. Okay, you are applying somewhere, that's why you are studying. Otherwise, you people never studied. If it is useful, only you are studying. Okay? Just take an example. One lamp post is there. Okay? In your lane. Okay? How you are measuring? Okay? How you are measuring? With the help of the concept of trigonometry. When you are measuring the height and distance of a lamp post, one, with the help of angle, you are measuring the height and distance of your lamp post. Suppose one tree is there. Okay, one tallest tree is there. How you are measuring the height? How you are measuring the height of your tree? With the help of trigonometric concept. Let's start. Okay, suppose a person is here. Okay, and one building is there. Okay, one building is there. A person is standing here, and here person is seeing the building. Suppose if that person is seeing, this is called observer. Okay, person is nothing but called as observer. Okay, who is observing. Okay, if the person is seeing straight, okay, seeing straight, one horizontal line will be formed. If a person wants to know the height of that building, he is seeing the top of the building. He is seeing the top of the building. This is your top of the building. If a person is seeing the top of the building, this top of the building, this line is called as line of sight. Line of sight. Line of sight. Okay. Line of sight. This line is called as horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. Horizontal, or you can say this is the eye level. Okay, this is called as eye level. Okay. If a person is seeing the top of the building, one angle will be formed. With that help of angle, you can easily find out the height between the observer and the tower and the distance. What is the height and distance of a tower? You can easily find out. Suppose take an example that it form your right angle. Right angle is nothing but PQR. PQR. Okay, PQR. Angle is formed. Okay, angle is formed between the horizontal line and the line of sight. Is called as angle of elevation. Angle is formed. Okay, angle is formed. Angle is formed between horizontal and line of sight. Okay, line of sight is elevation. It is called as angle of elevation. This is called as angle of elevation. This is called as angle of elevation. Okay. Theta, angle of elevation of R with respect to P. Okay, theta angle, theta is nothing but angle of elevation of R with respect to P, and R is responsible for making the observer to see R, because the observer is seeing the top of the building. So, R is responsible for the observer for making the observer to see. This is called as angle of elevation. Then assume that this is a same tower. Okay, same tower, and the observer is standing at the top of the tower. Observer is standing to the top of the tower. If a person is standing, what is its eye level? Okay, eye level is nothing but your horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. If suppose a person is standing to the top of the tower and he is seeing at the ground, suppose this is your ground level. Okay, this is your ground. Okay, this is your ground. A person is seeing to the bottom of the building, that is on the ground. One angle will be formed. Okay, one angle will be formed. This is called as theta. Okay, when a person is seeing to the looking down, this type of angle is called as angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay. In previous class, if a person is seeing up, it is called as angle of elevation. If a person is seeing down, it is called as angle of depression. Okay, angle of depression. Suppose take this is as A, B and C. A, B and C. Angle of depression of A with respect to C, and A is responsible for the observer to see. A is responsible because the observer is seeing to the bottom of the bottom level, means A. Observer is seeing means A is responsible for the observer to see. A is responsible for making the observer to see. And one more thing, if a person, this is called horizontal line. Parallel lines will be the same height, same distance. If it is a horizontal line, means this horizontal line length will also be same. And if the angle is formed here, the alternative angle will also be the same, means this angle value will be same, means you are sending the theta inside the figure, so the alternative angle will also be the same. Okay, whenever you are solving this type of problem, you should keep in mind, okay, where is my line of sight or horizontal line, and alternative angles will also be the same. This is called as angle of depression. What is angle of depression? The line of sight. Okay, what is your line? The line of sight is below your horizontal line. This is your horizontal line because the observer eye level is here. This is called your line of sight. This is line of sight. This is line of sight. Okay, this is your horizontal line. Okay, this is your horizontal line or eye level. EL means eye level. Okay, what is angle of depression? The line of sight, this line of sight below your horizontal line, and angle is formed between the line of sight and the horizontal line is called as angle of depression. Is called as angle of depression. Okay, angle of depression. Okay, what is angle of depression? The line of sight is below your horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line, and angle is between line of sight and the horizontal line is called angle of depression. If observer is seeing up, it is angle of elevation. If a person is seeing down, it is called as angle of depression. Two concepts you have to remember perfectly for solving height and distance problem or application of trigonometry. If you had any doubt, write your doubt in the comment box.